Hello, travel buddies! Welcome to Explore with us. Today, we're showing you our latest and greatest discovery in packing gadgets. Something that finally brings order to your suitcase and takes the stress out of every trip. Are you tired of sinking into chaos when you pack? Are you constantly searching for that one t-shirt that's disappeared somewhere in your luggage? And that struggle now. Stay tuned because we have the solution. We've been checking out the 4-piece packing cube travel set from Level 8. They are super practical, look great, and finally bring order to any suitcase. But what makes them so special? Let us show you. First, the product itself. The set consists of 4 perfectly coordinated cubes. The material is high-quality, dual-toned polyester that is both water-repellent and mildew-resistant. A must-have for travel. What we particularly love are the exchangeable pictograms on the side. You can instantly see if it holds clothing, shoes, electronics, or cosmetics without opening the cube. This saves time and stress. But the real value shows during packing. Instead of just stuffing laundry into the suitcase, we roll it up and sort it into the cubes. The large cube holds all our tops. The medium cube keeps shoes and worn laundry neatly separated. And the small pouch is perfect for cables and gadgets. Do you see the difference? Now, the 4 cubes lie perfectly side by side in the suitcase. Everything is compressed, protected, and has its designated spot. No more rummaging. When you arrive at your hotel, just take the cubes out and place them directly into the wardrobe. Organization made easy. The Level 8 packing cube set is a real upgrade for any journey. If you also want to revolutionize your luggage organization, you can find the link to the set in the video description. Which cube is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, and happy packing! If you want to revolutionize your luggage organization, we have secured a special deal. You can find the link to the set in the description below, and when you use our code, you'll get an exclusive 15% discount, just for being an Explore With Us subscriber. Don't miss out on this deal to simplify your travels. Which cube will you pack first? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, and happy packing!